First, we will talk about methods of choosing a sample. सैंपल चुनना इतना आसान नहीं है. You have to think on many lines. Let us first briefly review the terms involved. One term is universe. We have said if you cover the entire population, all number of items, then it is universe. If you take a part of the universe, say 10% of the students, it is a sample. Second term, we are already familiar with it. Then there are sampling units. Sampling unit, it is a new term. These are of two kinds: primary sampling units then elements. Primary means you make groups from within the sampling units. Groups. Once you select the group, then you take each item in the group. So, second is element, choosing items in each group. So, we have primary sampling unit groups and then elements, each item in the group. Now, we come to another aspect of methods of kinds. Kinds of sampling. What is sampling means? Selecting items from a universe. Example, 2000 children is a universe. We have to select 10%. The question is which 10%? कौन से 10%? That is sampling. Selecting items from a universe. There are two methods. There are two methods of sampling. Random. Purposive. Random, purposive. क्या फर्क है दोनों में? क्या अंतर है दोनों में? What is the difference between the two? बिल्कुल आम भाषा में लें, in common language, random means by chance. Purposive means by choice. क्या मतलब है इन दोनों का? चॉइस तो ठीक है, इन्वेस्टिगेटर की मर्जी है, जो मर्जी आए छांट ले. चांस से क्या मतलब है? random by chance. Let us study these in detail. चांस से क्या मतलब है इसके बारे में हम अब बात करते हैं